money printers. What up, y'all? Gary Billions back up with another video. Two things we're gonna be discussing in this video. Number one, we start our challenge tomorrow, 100 to 1,000,000 in 90 days. So you guys be ready. We're gonna trade every New York session, and by all you guys' votes, we're not gonna chop the videos up or either trades. What we're gonna actually do is the live stream. So expect us to start doing the live streams every New York session. That's gonna start at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So just match that up with where you are. Y'all take the challenge with me, okay? If you don't have your checklist, okay, I want to give a shout out to the people that did get their checklist. So I'm gonna put their name on the screen, all right? But if you didn't get your checklist, it's gonna be very hard for you to trade along with us, okay? So get the checklist so you can follow along with the whole challenge. Next thing, this video is primarily about what else we'll be doing besides the 100 to 1,000,000 challenge. We'll also be building a Topstep 150K challenge, okay? So we're gonna start doing the Topstep challenge, and it's kind of just like FTMO, but it's better because it's US based and it's probably gonna be around a lot longer. So everybody was using FTMO, as you know, they stopped taking US traders, so now we're kind of fucked. There's a couple other companies out there, but I don't really know the legality if they're gonna be around for too long. So we're gonna leave them alone, and we're gonna actually start working with the futures. So Topstep is actually trading futures. Very similar to Forex, but a little bit different. We're gonna learn it together, guys. So I've already bought a 150K Topstep challenge. They want a $9,000 profit goal. You can't lose 4,500. And then they have something called a trailing stop loss. So different from FTMO, where you can always get back to your minimum deposit, which was 100K. With this company, as you make more, the amount you could lose also goes up. So you can't lose a certain amount, you know what I mean? So I'll break that down once we get on the charts, but Topstep it is. US traders, we need another way to get that opportunity of using leverage and trading big boy accounts. So we still gonna have our live accounts, and we also gonna trade prop firms. So in this video, I'm gonna break down everything about Topstep, how to sign up, how to start going with the 150K account, and then we're gonna learn this shit together, guys. So get ready. I'm gonna head over to the charts. Let's get this money. All right, money printers. So what we're doing is we're talking about the switch over from FTMO to Topstep. Now FTMO is great. You know, I've seen a lot of guys go from regular 9 to 5s to passing their FTMO challenge and, you know, doing 20, 30, 40K, you know, their first payout, getting 80% and going from a regular dude to being a man, putting that money into a live account and just blowing up. So we need that opportunity for us US traders. So we're gonna have to be flexible and adjust to this Topstep platform. Now Topstep is trading futures versus trading Forex, okay? When we were trading FTMO, it was all Forex and indices, but now we gotta trade futures. Now futures is still trading indices, so it's focused on like the S&P, it's focused on US 30, NASDAQ, they got gold, natural gas, stuff like that. So still a way for us to make our money, but versus using contracts versus using lot size and Forex, we're gonna be using contracts when it comes to futures. So Topstep is the company we're gonna use, you know, so it's best that we adjust and start to learn how to use it now. You know what I mean? It's based out of Chicago, so it ain't gonna be shouldn't be going nowhere too long. You know what I mean? The SEC, everybody's already checked them out, so it's a solid company, credentials, everything's solid, so it should be around. So it is something that we want to start to get good at. So in a year from now, we already doing those 10K, 20K, 30K days because we putting that work in now. So if you want to look at Topstep, I got no affiliation with them. I just got bit by the FTMO bug. I lost my account, and I can't trade with them no more. They told me that they wouldn't pay me out, so I stopped fucking with them. And now I'm looking to mess with Topstep. Because it's US based, I shouldn't have no payout issues, and I can actually get good at this shit. If you know how to trade Forex or anything else, we still reading candlesticks, we just using contracts instead. So we're gonna see the differences between the Topstep and the FTMO backend. I'm gonna open up NinjaTrader. So FTMO was using like TradingView and using MetaTrader, but Topstep uses NinjaTrader and they use something called Tradovate. A couple other things you can use as well. So we're gonna look into them all. So I'm on Google right now. I just typed in Topstep. We're gonna go to the website. Let's see what we got. So earn funding by passing the trading combine. So they call it a trading combine versus in Forex it was a challenge, you know. So what is a trading combine? The trading combine is an experimental learning and evaluation program for futures traders. Traders grow and test their skills in a simulated market and earn funding upon achieving certain trading objectives. While earning a funded account is one possible goal, the discipline and habits promoted by the trading combine benefit traders of all experience levels. So pretty cool stuff. It's just like the challenge, just going to be a little bit different when it comes to the rules. Now it says following the trading plan. One rule, maximum loss limit. So exceeding the maximum loss limit will result in a rule violation. Topstep MLL is based on your end of day balance, unlike other prop firms who calculated on the unrealized profits intraday or your high water mark. We have the best drawdown in the business and give you more room to trade. The objectives. Topstep is committed to providing real world trading values in the trading combine. These non-rule violating objectives are part of the plan that we are asked our disciplined traders to follow. So other things we have to worry about other than the maximum loss limit, which I believe is like 4,500 on a 150K account. And then I got to see what it is on the other accounts. There's 3 accounts you can choose from: 50K, 100K, and 150K. So I've already purchased the 150K. I'm going to start trading on it this week. Okay. So let's see. So other than the maximum loss limit, we also got to worry about the profit target, the consistency target, and the daily loss limit. Okay. So we'll learn more about those in a second. Here's a couple of the products that you can trade. So with futures, they got small contracts they call minis, and then they have regular contracts. Now with Forex, when we trade one lot, that's making $10 a pip. With futures, we're looking at in points. So with futures, if you're trading one contract, it's actually $20 per point. Okay, so you can still make the same amount of money. Now in futures, that one contract is kind of equivalent to 2 lots if you're trading Forex. Okay, because in Forex, 2 lots is $20 per pip. So it's pretty good room. All you need is a nice 25 pips a day, or 25 points a day rather. One nice move with a couple contracts and you can make, 1,500, 2,500, $3,000 a day, and that'll add up, on a week span. So let's keep on looking. So let's see premium features that traders need. So they also have a platform that's like TradingView that you can trade. I think that's Tradovate. And these are some of the other platforms that they work with. Now I'm gonna be trading with NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader uses RTrader Pro as well. So the difference from Forex and futures is Forex doesn't need a data feed. We just link onto our platform, connect our broker account, and we trade. But with futures, some of these platforms you have to have a data feed, and the data feed is how you get the data to the broker account, which is going to be NinjaTrader, and then we're going to trade on the NinjaTrader platform. Okay, so you will need an account with NinjaTrader and an account with RTrader if you use the NinjaTrader. But if you just use Tradovate, I don't think you need to have RTrader, but I'm not sure about that, guys, so we'll check out. So let's look at some of the benefits of this account. So Topstep funded trader benefits: 1 step, 1 rule, 1 goal, become a Topstep funded trader. They also allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can have 2 or 3 150K accounts and be making, $2,000 a day on each. And I'm assuming they're going to let you be able to connect them. So one $2,000 trade on one account. If you got 3 accounts, you just made $6,000 for the day. You get a payout in a week or 2. It could be, 10, 20K. So pretty cool system. Earn and take payouts from up to 3 accounts. So that's pretty cool stuff. 150, what is that? 300, so you can have up to 450K and be making, you know, $5,000-$10,000 on that account, on those accounts each day. It's pretty cool stuff. Now they have a simple payout policy. Just have 5 winning days of 200 or more to earn your payout. So what they want you to do is be more consistent. They don't want really big home runs. They want small base hits, you know, so like 1,000, 1,500, a couple grand a day. Not too much, because they want to really see the consistency from the traders. So in order to get a payout, I guess you got to have, you know, 5 days that you making more than $200 each one of those days, which is pretty easy if you know how to trade. Now, fast payout processing. Expect your earnings quickly. We process payouts daily. Funded trader certificate. They give you a little certificate. That's cool. That's cool. So now I want to show you guys how it looks when you move to the next step. I believe the next step is picking your account. What size account you want. So account size. So here we go here. So for $49 a month, you can get a 50K account. For a 100K account, it's $99 a month, and then it's $149 a month for the 150K account. So that's pretty cheap, guys. Now, after you pay this $150 a month, if you fuck up your account, you gotta pay another $150 to reset it. Okay? So there's $150 a month that's always gonna be running, and then if you fuck up the account, you gotta pay to reset it, which is not bad. When we was trading FTMO, we was paying $600 a pop. So at least this is a little more, you know, budget friendly, and we can, you know, really give it a shot to try to get this thing down. Now, we don't want to keep resetting the fucking account, guys. You know what I'm saying? Y'all trade with discipline and get that shit together within the first, you know, 2 or 3 challenges, or two to three combines. But at least we have the opportunity to do it at a really low price. So let's look at the 50K account. For $49 a month, they want you to make a profit target of $3,000, okay? The max position size you can have is 5 contracts, which is pretty good. With 25 points, 5 contracts is $2,500, you know, so you can make $2,500 with 5 contracts off one nice little move. It's very easy to catch 25 points when you trade in futures. Now your maximum loss limit is 2,000, which is also pretty good. You got a nice amount of room. Okay, now the 100K is $99 a month. They want you to make 6,000 in profit. Maximum contract size is 10 contracts, and you have a maximum loss limit of 3,000. So the 100K is a cool place to start too. Okay, and then they got the last one is the 150. It's $150 a month, 9,000 profit target, and that goes up to 15 contracts with a maximum loss limit of $4,500. So these are pretty flexible, a little bit tighter than FTMO, but they're still doable. The only thing we got to worry about is the maximum loss limit does move up on you as you make more money, you know. So we'll check it out in the next platform. So this is pretty cool stuff. You guys choose the package that's good for you based on your budget and give the challenge a try. So let's see. Now I'm going to log in and show you guys my back end. I just purchased the 150K. Alright guys, so we're at my Topstep login. I purchased 150K account, profit target 9,000. I'm gonna log into my backend and show you guys how that looks. Oh shit, let's see what I done did. Alright, this the back end. So it's gonna be kind of like FTMO. They're gonna show all of our, you know, all the metrics. They probably gonna have an equity curve. So you see, I got my username back here. I'm trading a 150K account. I haven't started trading on it. So I got a 0 for the weekly P&L. I guess when I take my first couple trades, I have all my metrics here. We got objectives over here to the right hand side. And then it has, I'm assuming the equity curve is going to start building right here. So I got the account on the 22nd. Okay. And I'm going to be starting to trade it tomorrow, as well as trading 100 to the 1 million on Forex. All right, guys. So let's check out these objectives. Reach and maintain the $9,000 profit target. Okay, which is not bad on 15 contracts. All right. Now, best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. The consistency target. So this is a little bit different from FTMO. So we gotta, take this into consideration and actually check it out and investigate a little bit. They don't want you to make too much money in one day. They don't want guys hitting home runs and trying to get payouts. So you gotta actually just slowly, show your consistency in your approach by trading every day and making a nice little sum of money. So let's look at this consistency target. The consistency target measures a trader's ability to make repeated profits while managing risk. To pass the trading combine, your best day, most significant winning day, must not be no greater than 50% of your profit target. Okay? If your best day equals or exceeds 50% of your profit target, you need to continue trading until your best day percentage of total profit is below 50%. So when the profit target says 9,000 but it has a plus sign, if you have a good day of say 5, 6, 7,000 on a 150K account, they'll actually move up how much money you have to make to pass the challenge or the combine if you make too much money in a day. So there's a certain number that we need to be under, guys, so we don't push up our profit target. They don't want you to make too much money in a day. Okay? So let's see if they tell us a little bit more about it. We want to be clear about the potential this gives our traders. We cut the minimum days to earn funding in half, but we don't expect everyone to pass in 2 days. There's no rush. Okay? Oh, this is great. So look what it gives us. It gives us a recommended best day. So all we have to do is trade and stay close to that recommended best day. Never go over it. That way they don't make us make more money to pass the combine. Okay? So let's see. Since your best day must be below 50% of your profit target, we suggest you always set your daily profit target below the amount of your trading plan. This lets you lock in profits daily, prevents over trading, and shows consistency. If your best day is 50% or larger than your profit target, you must make additional profit. So on a 50K account, this is perfect. This is all we needed, guys. On a 50K account, your profit target to pass the combine is 3,000. You don't want your best day or any day that you're trading, you don't want to make more than 1,500 a day, or else they're going to require you to make more money, okay, to pass the combine. On a 100K account, they want you to make 6,000 total, but never make over $3,000 in one particular day. All right, and then for the 150K, 9,000 is the total amount you want to make to pass the combine, but never make more than 4,500 in one particular day. So that's simple. Now that we got that rule out of the way, we know exactly how to approach each trading day. Don't try to hit home runs. Just make a nice little chunk of money and get the fuck out of there. All right, so that's all we needed to see right there. Let's see what's next on objectives. Do not hit or exceed the $3,000 daily loss limit, or your account will be deactivated for that trading day. So this is pretty cool. It doesn't allow you to fuck up your account in just one day. They're going to give you at least 2 days to fuck your account up, okay? So my maximum loss limit on this account is 4,500, but the daily loss limit is 3,000. So if ever I fuck up and lose 3,000 within 1 day, they're going to cut the trading for the whole day. And then the next day, all I have really is 1,500 to work with before the account is deactivated, and I got to pay $150 to try it again. So we got to be careful there, but at least they do cut you at a certain limit. And on the 100K and the 50K account, I'm assuming that the limit is going to be congruent to what size account it is. So instead of 3,000, it might be 1,500 or 1,000 on the 50K. All right. And then the last rule is do not let your account balance hit or go below the $145,500. So you have about $4,500 worth of room. Once you go under that $145,500, you have to reset the account, and your account is considered blown. So it's only $150 compared to FTMO's $600, but you still don't want to keep resetting this account. You know what I'm saying, guys? So just keep that in mind. $5,000 is a good amount of room in order to show that you can consistently grab $1,000 a day out of the market. You know what I mean? So we got our equity curve that's going to be down here, 150K. This is our starting balance. Your net P&L will be calculated off this number. We also have, this is your minimum account balance. It is the highest of all your loss limits and may change day to day. Okay, so this is the minimum that you can have in your account. And what I believe is going to happen is, once I started making profits, my minimum account balance is going to increase and go up. And then I'll have to make sure I don't go under that number to keep the account activated. So they really want to make sure you know what the fuck you're doing. Right? It ain't no gimmick in this shit. You got to really know how to trade. But at least with a good system, a good risk reward, you'll be able to knock it out real quick. And then the last thing is, this is your maximum loss limit. It trails up with each new account high balance. You reaching your account until it reaches your starting balance. So your maximum loss limit, okay, your maximum loss limit will increase from 150. It'll increase from 140, 145, 500 to 150 as you make more profit. But it'll stay at 150. So at a certain point, you can't lose under 150K. You can't go back under to the 145, which is understandable. After you made a little bit of money, you can't go back all the way down. So if you make, make 5,000 and you're at 155,000, you can't go back under 150K. Whereas your loss limit was 145,500 bucks. So that's something else to keep in mind, guys. So let's see what else we got. It looks like they're gonna have some metrics down here, but I haven't taken any trades, so it's not there. So the next thing I want to show you guys is the actual charts and how we log in. Okay, so let's see. Oh shit, my bad. There we go, guys. Y'all couldn't see everything. So this is our Rhythmic Pro. This is our Rhythmic Pro. We had to sign in here, and then this little window popped up. This is the back end where it'll show us our positions. So when you're trading in NinjaTrader, you're not going to see your profit and loss in NinjaTrader. You're actually going to use this to find your profit and loss. So I'm going to hit positions. And then let's see what we get. We get another window. Let me get this other window on here for you guys. So this is the window where we're actually going to see our positions. It'll show what we're trading, how many contracts we're open and selling, our profit and loss, if it's open or closed. And then it also has our profit and loss for the day, along with our account number, our account balance, and then however much money we made again on the day. So pretty simple stuff. A little bit set up a little bit different than MT4 and TradingView, but if you're using NinjaTrader, this is what you got to get used to. So now we're going to open up the NinjaTrader platform. Let's give it a second, guys. Alright guys, so we've logged in to NinjaTrader. We had to log in to Rhythmic Trader first and then log in to NinjaTrader. And here's the platform. As you can see, it looks just like TradingView or just like MetaTrader 4. We got NQ open right now on the 15-minute chart. So this is how we're going to be trading when we trading the challenge. I did make I made a little template for everything that I need. It has a decent amount of indicators. Doesn't have too much, but it has a decent amount for the basic stuff. So here we go right here. All I'm using is the thick green line is a daily open. I'm sorry, it's a daily low. The dark black line that runs through the middle is a daily open. Red line is the daily high. I got a couple moving averages, and then I have these dotted line are just the previous days open and high, low, and close. So I'm just using a couple basic indicators. I'm gonna start trading this combine tomorrow. At the same time, I'm gonna be trading our $100 to $1 million account, and we're gonna build them both at the same time, guys. We're gonna take it nice and slow. But this is Ninja Trader. This is primarily how it looks. Pretty simple platform. It's just like everything else. You just gotta figure out where to buy, sell, close, all that good stuff is. But this is what we're doing for 24 Ninja Traders. You start now, you'll be a dog on futures by the end of the year. So that's the goal. Them 10K, 20K, 30K weeks, 50K months, 80K months. We can do that with futures. And the top amount account for 150K is only $150. So if y'all want to make this money, I'm going to be live streaming all of my futures trading on this 150K account on my YouTube channel. So you guys come learn with me. Come see how I learn how to trade futures. It's a little bit different, but it is the same as Forex. And then we just going to go from there, guys. So let's get this money, man. 24 billions.